Hello everyone, you're welcome back to my channel. I want to wish you all a prosperous 2021. It's going to be a year of blessings, joy and favor to us all. So today I'm going to teach us on how to make a flouse. Yeah, I've received many requests on our Facebook page to illustrate flowers. So today I'm going to show you how to make it. Flowers can be used to beautify our dresses. You can use it to give a classy designs on your dresses. So you can style it anyhow you want. So, and it's something you can also make within few minutes, and it's very easy and simple. So I'm going to teach us how to make that. Please watch the video to the end. Let's get started. Okay, to get started, I have my pattern paper here. I'm going to be using my pattern paper to illustrate this. So I'm going to get the midpoint of my pattern paper. I have 20.5 at this side. So I'm going to get the midpoint, which is 10.25. And I'm also going to get the midpoint of the other side. It's just having a square or something like that. So I got the midpoint. So I'm going to connect with a line like so. This is going to serve as a guide or a starting point for us. So when I've done this, at the midpoint, I'm going to mark a circle. So to get my circle, I'm going to mark 2 inches all round. 2 inches all round. You can decide to make use of 1 inch. Well, because we're going to be cutting this out, so we don't even need it. So you can decide to make use of 1 inch for it. So I'm using 2 inches, and as you can see now, I've gotten a circle. So this is going to serve as a guide for us. So then I'm not going to mark the length of my flowers. Note that you can actually mark this directly on your fabric. I'm using a pattern paper to illustrate. So the length of the flowers I'll be making use of is 5 inches. So I marked 5 inches there. Then with my French curve, I'm going to make a curve like so from one point of the circle. So connect to this point. Did you see? I just connected to this point. In case you want to mark this on your fabric, if you want the length to be 5 inches, you can just mark 6 inches, so that 1 inch is going to serve as the allowance. Then I'm going to mark 5 inches all around this circle like so. Just follow what I'm doing. The 5 inch is the length of the flowers, so I'm going to be marking 5 inches all around. Just follow what I'm doing. It's not complicated, it's very simple. Did you see? Look at the way I'm marking it here. 5 inches, and when I'm done, I'll just connect all the points. I'll connect all the points together. So this is how to make a flower. It's kind of spiral. Yeah, so I'm going to connect like so. Did you see that? I'm sorry, my camera cut off this side, but it's still the same thing that we did on the other side as well. So I'm still going to connect. I'll mark to the end of my pattern paper because my pattern paper is small, so it might not really accommodate what I want. So this is just for illustration or teaching purpose. In case you want to make yours, depending on what you want, you can use 1 yard of fabric, even half yard or 2 yards, depending on what you want to make. So as you can see, I've marked to the end, and this is where the 5 inches stop. So I can't go again because this is where my 5 inches stops. So I'm going to mark a straight line like so. Did you see? So now to cut, To cut this, I'm going to start from this point now, and I'm going to cut all the way around. Just follow my cutting so you won't make mistakes. Just making a flouse is very easy and simple, so you can attach an interface into it before adding it to your dress, just to have that kind of a strong effect. You can also add crinoline to it. You can also add it to it. So when I'm done, this is what I'm going to have. Did you see that? So you can decide to style it anyhow you want. You can decide to just sew it. You can decide to make it in a circular way like this. So you can decide to style it anyhow you want. You can even decide to pleat it. Did you see that? You can decide to pleat it. You can decide to gather it anyhow you want it to be. So that is how to make a flouse. Hope you enjoyed this video, and if you do, please kindly give this video a big thumbs up, and if you're yet to subscribe, please do well to subscribe. See you in my next video. Bye.